Aloha and welcome back to Joanna's Kitchen Adventures.
Aloha and welcome back, friends. Today we'll be making some dinner rolls. These are all our ingredients here. First we're going to start off with some warm water, some sugar, and some yeast. We're going to get that mixed together. And we're going to let it set till it blooms. So now that our yeast is ready, we're going to mix in some milk, salt, an egg, and some melted butter. Now we're going to put our flour together with some sugar and shortening. And you can cut that in together. Could use a knife. I just like to use my hands just to make sure it gets cut in there pretty good. I can feel that most of the shortening has been incorporated into the flour and sugar mixture. Okay. Now we're going to combine the two. Now we're going to get that combined. Starting to come together. Now that it's come together, I'm going to put it on my stand mixer for 2 minutes. Okay, now it's been about 2 minutes. Take the hook off. Those slides off. We're going to let that sit here for 30 minutes and let it rise. So now that our dough has risen, about doubled in size, we're going to hook this back up and knead it for another 2 minutes. So it's been about 2 minutes. Now we are going to put out our dough. All right, so here's our dough. I'm going to do it 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay. I try to make this as even as possible. We're going to cut it like a pie and then cut each pie section in thirds to get about 12 rolls out of the stove. We're just gonna tuck it under, roll it, ball. We'll get it into our 13 by 9-inch pan. Now we've got our rolls put together. We're gonna cover that and let it rise for 30 minutes. Now our dough has risen, so our rolls are ready to put in a preheated 400-degree oven for about 12 to 14 minutes till it's golden and crusty. Nice and brown. Ooh, those look really good and pillowy. And we can shine it up with some butter on the top. And then we're gonna try these out. See how we did. Oops. It's really hot, so be careful. I'm not gonna wait because I want to show you how these turned out. Hey Paul, why don't you come and try these with me?
All right.
Hey, oh, that's so hot. But look at how that pulls apart.
Ooh.
Really nice and soft. Cheers. Mm.
Mmm. Mmm.
Very soft.
Very good.
Very good. Thanks again for joining me for another recipe for Joanna's Kitchen Adventures. I love being able to share these recipes with you. And if you try it, let me know how it goes. I hope with this recipe, you make it, eat it, and enjoy. Until next time, thanks for watching.